Everyone to Global FX Radio's US Preview YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. What a freaking night! Holy cow! What a night! What a night! Just to get you re-caught up. House prices out of London collapsing 2.5%. The estimates for negative 1.5%. Much worse there. Services PMI a little bit better out of Eurozone final. Services PMI out of London much better at 40.2. Well, much better. 39 was the estimate, big deal. But the big story of the day, as I tried to warn you, what's incredible is they actually sold the euro dollar across the board off well before this number. Now we'll look at those charts in a second. But wow, was that unbelievable or what? And it still went lower. Now, what do I see forming right here? What do you think? This is the hourly chart, the dollar index. Turnaround Tuesday, baby. It's happening. If we have if this bar goes negative, and this is 6:32 p.m. a.m. Eastern Standard Time, futures are up. S&P futures are up, and dollar index looks to me like we're reversing here. I am long the euro. I think it's turnaround Tuesday in the euro across the board. Euro Canada, 158.50. You got to be kidding. 1,650 pips in a week. So this dollar index to me looking, again, shooting star potential. You see where we've rallied from. We do our Fibonacci on the dollar index from the high to the low. Look at where the hell we stopped. The golden retracement. Things that make you go, oh baby, come to Papa. I'm in love with this chart free shooting star here in bearish engulfing. Bearish engulfing means we go lower than this bar. So should we breach and take out only 83.55, it's over. The golden retracement almost got hit. Again, ticks, here I could lower this a little bit, raise this a little bit, which, make it perfect. And we'll get there. And maybe we double bottom, double top, I don't know. But this is it. Make me proud, people. Turn around Tuesday in action. Hey, all my premiums, we're going to be buying it. We're going to be buying them. Eurodollar's only 40 pips off the lows. And let's take a look. Fibonacci. Things that make you go, The golden retracement. I'm getting more bullish as I'm doing this. Should we get a hammer? Ooh, what would you say that is, people? Hammer, doji. Oh, baby. Channel line. Where's Euro going to bounce to, Andrew? Where's it going to go to? I'd say channel line resistance. Easy. 134. Well, if it goes there in the next bar, it'll be 135. If we dribble up, it'll be 134.50. So again, time, obviously, the key ingredient there. So euro dollar, I am bullish. Dollar yen, hourly chart. Can you say shooting star? Oh my goodness. Look at the shooting star. People, this day is setting up too easy. We nailed this. The euro sterling hammer. We'll look at that in a second. Look at that dollar yen. Can you say, I can't do it. Oh, my voice, I can't do it. Bye-bye. Oh, baby. Bye-bye. Euro dollar ticking higher as we speak as well. Cable being held up because euro sterling's exploding. Cable, hourly chart. You're not going to get as much from this one. You're not going to get as much from this one. Sterling again, it's going to be a buy, but something like here with euro sterling coming in like this, exploding like this. 50 pips from the lows, 91. Gee, what was our target? Man, this year I hope I hope I am this good the rest of the year. But these are the kind of things I excel at the end of the year, kind of movement. I tried to explain to everyone what was going to happen. I thought I was right. Certainly right more than 50% of the time, that's for sure. Some of you think I'm freaking 90% right. I don't agree. Anyway, again, if you have any questions about going premium, email me at info, at globalfxradio.com. Remember, this is the last month you're going to get the 3-month deal. No more soup for you. So if you want to take advantage of it, again, go to globalfxradio.com and sign up, and you can read more about my service there. So again, cable to me is going to be the relative strength loser because I think euro sterling bottomed. I think you get a pullback buy here, 140, 145.90, something like that, and all in, baby. But again, just like the euro was the relative strength loser the last couple of days, if euro sterling does bottom out, which I think it's going to, then I think this cable is going to put up a fight. And, just like cable, you don't want to fight it then on the upside, meaning, you didn't want to short cable into weakness, buy cable into weakness. Whereas you want to short cable into strength yesterday, now you're buying into weakness. It's early in the morning, I hope you understand. I have had my coffee though. Euro sterling with a gorgeous looking pattern. Oh baby, bottom of the channel. Broke the bottom of the channel, if you see here. Oversold. Do I need stochastics to know that this is oversold? No, people, I don't. I don't need stochastics to tell me that this is extended beyond the channel and it's due for a freaking rip. Turn around Tuesday. I think it's going to happen. Again, cable coming in as I speak. The relative strength loser, sterling dollar. Again, with euro sterling bottoming out like this, you don't want to fight cable to the, you don't want to be buying cable, you want to be shorting it, buying the pullback. Oh, going back down. Cable collapsing. Getting to our target, 145.90 almost. All right, euro sterling, we see here again. I think it bottomed out. I think it will go higher. 91 held. I think it does hold. I think 91 holds. This moving cable right now, to take a look. I know this is delayed. Classic euro sterling. Sterling yen, by the way, looking like a massive reversal. I'm really starting to warm up to this sterling yen short. Euro yen looks like death. Hourly chart made new lows almost. Downtrend channel, due for a big bounce. Maybe get up to 126.50, and then we're going to look to short it. Absolutely. And then we're going to look to short it. So looking at this euro yen, again, to me, looks like a beautiful shorting opportunity. Into strength, into a bounce like this. Sterling yen, rolling over, that looks totally different. Sterling yen looks like a gorgeous short. Whereas euro yen, I want to wait for a bounce. Sterling yen, looking delicious to the short side. Euro just dropped about 20, 30 pips while I'm doing this. The volatility is incredible. Again, the U.S. economic numbers coming out are going to be terrible in my opinion. And I think that's going to be the reversal spot. So 10 o'clock, listen, we might make new lows. Maybe the euro makes new lows. I don't know. But to me, the bottom is probably going to be these 10 o'clock numbers coming out of the U.S. Pending home sales should be a disaster. And remember, the FOMC minutes come out at 2 o'clock. That could reverse the stock market also, thus reversing dollar yen, thus reversing the carry trade. So this euro yen, this sterling yen, we made a beautiful trade in this thing last night. Top of the channel to you. Could go a little, maybe make another high, maybe bounce up, but this is a nice bearish engulfing bar. And sterling yen looks to me like it's going lower. That was it, baby. All right, everyone, let's see. It's already bounced 800 pips since the new year. Andrew Spanton, info at globalfxradio.com, the only voice you will ever need Forex that makes your freaking money. Have a good one.